What's up guys, welcome to another wonderful video from Cash Project YouTube channel. In today's video I want to quickly take you through how to trade technical analysis, especially with any currency pairs that has US dollar. Alright, any currency pairs that has US dollar. In this very technical analysis pattern, I'm going to you can use it, you can apply this to trade Euro USD, you can apply it to trade New Zealand US dollar, you can use it on US dollar JPY, and you can as well use it on gold, but it may not really work on USD Canada because USD Canada has similar economic drive and their market section appears almost, their market section seems to open almost the same time. And in most cases, if you trade fundamental analysis applying news event, you realize that their market sections and their news event always come up the same time, usually at 13:30 hour. All right, so in this video I'm going to take you briefly through Euro USD technical analysis, and also I'll take you through gold technical analysis on gold. All right, and in order for you to maximize this strategy, it must always be towards the opening of the US market section or the New York session. Right here you can see that here on Baby Pips. Okay, Baby Pips is one of my favorite platforms where I derive news for fundamental trading. Alright, so here on Baby Pips, if you go to this option that says tools, you will see this time frame of a thing. So you just come to Forex Market Hour and click on it. When you open Forex Market Hour, it takes you to this page. Here you can see Forex Market Time Zone Converter. Here are the different market session. Alright, you can see the Sydney, Tokyo, London, and New York. And right here now we are on the New York section. New York section is just about to open. Alright, and if you look at my time right here, this is 1:11, right? And you can see right here on their time frame also, this is exactly 1:11. All right, so in my region, New York session is going to open exactly 1:30. All right, New York session is going to open exactly 1:30. So what I'll do is I'll go to my platform. Right here on my platform, I'm on 1 hour time frame. On my 1 hour time frame. Okay, all I have to do is to identify the support or resistance level, and then I draw my trend line. Of course, you can see what market usually do within this particular time, heading towards the opening of the market session. You can see what the market usually do. You usually have indecision within that period of the time. So what you just have to do is to pick your support area. For instance, on gold, you can see that I have already identified my resistance zone. This is a strong resistance zone. So after having identified this resistance zone, I also take my trend line. All right, I also pick my trend line. Now, in order for me to get this trend line accurately, I have to change my chart pattern to line chart. All right, so I have to change it to line chart. You can now see that on line chart I was able to get where the impulsive movement occur. So I pick from this point across this point and I get my accurate trend line, and then I change it back to candlestick pattern. So now I have gotten the trend line and the resistance zone clearly. All I have to do is to watch out for breakout. All right, all I have to do is to watch out for breakout. Immediately it is 1:30 p.m. a breakout will surely occur. All right, a breakout will surely occur. Immediately I have a breakout below this trend line, I will make my sell entry. Immediately I get a breakout out of this zone, this resistance zone, I will take a buy entry, and here, as you can see, will be my target. All right, this point will be my target, or this previous resistance level, this previous resistance area will be my target. Then you can see that from this point now down to the resistance area, I have gotten about 140 pips. And if I'm to take this first line, this will be about 82 pips profit target. All right, the same thing on USD JPY. The same thing on USD JPY. Of course, here on USD JPY you can see the condition of the market. All I have to do is go to line chart, and then I identify my support zone. Here is my support zone. Okay, here is my support zone, and then I pick my trend line. Okay, here is my trend line, and then I go back to candlestick pattern. Of course, you can see my support zone accurately taken and the trend line also put in place. All right, so immediately the New York session opened, that will definitely be a breakout, either a breakout up or a breakout down, especially when it is opening with a very high impact news event. Definitely a breakout will occur. So immediately that breakout occur, I get my confirmation, and then I will take a sell. If it break through the support zone, all I have to do is to take a sell, and then after taking my sell, my target will be this previous low, which is, if I use this crosshair to check, this will give me about 50 pips profit level, and then I will only risk from that point into the zone or above the zone, I will only risk 10 pips. All right, I will risk 10 pips to get a profit of 50 pips. The same thing if the market breaks the trend line and then I take my buy entry, my target will be 80 pips, which is the previous resistance level. I will be heading towards this previous resistance level, either 80 pips or I stop at, or I break even at this 40 pips. This is just one of the easiest way to apply technical analysis in order to maximize profit, especially when trading any USB pairs, any US dollar pairs. So if you're trading USD JPY, USD and New Zealand USD, USD CHF, and so on, you can apply this. The only one you don't have to apply this pattern or this strategy with is when you're trading USD Canada. Of course, USD Canada do have similar movement, so you don't have to apply this strategy on it. So that is all for now. See you again in our next video, and don't forget to give us a like and place your comment in the comment section. Bye for now.